going to Grandma's.
KinderReaders Level 4.
I am packing my suitcase because tomorrow I am going to Grandma's house. Will I go on a boat? Will it be a great big sailboat that sails across the deep blue ocean? Will I go on an airplane? Will it be a fun little airplane that flies through the fluffy white clouds? Will I go on a train? Will it be a super fast train that chugs down the tracks through the mountains? Will I go on a motorcycle? Will it be a super cool motorcycle that glides down the long road? Will I go on a helicopter? Will it be a loud, twirling helicopter that goes up, up, up high into the sky? No, I will go outside and walk down the street past all my neighbors. To my grandma's house.
Thanks for reading with us today.